Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make orange chicken right at home. It's super quick and easy to make. All you're going to need are the ingredients as pictured here. I have the cornstarch, the all-purpose flour, 3 chicken breasts, 1 egg, and I'm going to need the salt and the pepper to go ahead and season my chicken with. Here I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed in with 1 tablespoon of water and 4 cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and then of course your teaspoon of honey is what you need, red chili flakes, minced garlic, 1 cup of orange juice as well. What I'm going to do is begin by starting off by cutting up the chicken into pieces. Okay, go ahead and grab your chicken and just cut it up. Not into big portions, not small either, just in the middle is fine. Alright, and repeat the process, cutting up the rest. You want to go ahead and start by coating it in the egg and then mixing it into the flour and repeating the process. Okay guys, one step to, wrong side there. What you want to start by doing is adding in salt and pepper to your liking. Okay, that pepper went wild on me. 1 second. Sorry guys, I opened the wrong side of the pepper. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up and then set into the egg. But what I meant to do was add just half a teaspoon of salt and just 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. But let's go ahead and give this an egg wash just like this. And then finish it off in the flour and repeat the process. Okay, so the oil is nice and hot, so I'm just going to go ahead and pop in my chicken to fry. And do leave space in between. I'll just tend to not to clump them. And repeat the process by dipping these in. Once your chicken looks like this, go ahead and remove. And let it drain on a dish with a piece of paper towel there. And repeat the process with the rest of the chicken. For the next part, you want to go ahead and make your sauce. So begin by incorporating the orange juice along with the sugar, and then combine the two. Go ahead and mix and add in the sesame oil and the honey, and then give this a stir. Next, go ahead and add your soy sauce. And this is no particular order, but just be sure to add in the orange juice first to get everything going. And once you add in the cornstarch, it'll actually start coming together. All right, so I'm just going to add in the chili flakes and the minced garlic. And it's okay to use just the edible crushed up, just like this. So go ahead and mix it. Now it is optional to add in the green onion when you're cooking this. It definitely adds a lot more flavor, or you can just top off your orange chicken with the green onion. It's up to you. Now I do also invite you to check out my other recipes listed within the channel. I do have the kung pao chicken and the beef and broccoli, and also a very delicious shrimp stir fry entree as well, all listed there. So I do recommend that you check that out. Okay, so the next step is adding in the cornstarch. So this is 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and then 2 tablespoons of added water. So this will start thickening this up. Just go ahead and continue to mix and then watch it turn into a glaze. Once you have achieved this consistency, go ahead and add in your chicken pieces here and then mix to get this all incorporated just like this. Okay guys, once your dish looks something like this, go ahead and remove. And there you have it guys, your delicious orange chicken is very ready to devour and pair with white rice, stir fry, egg rolls, mixed vegetables, whatever you would like. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. But I do thank you very much for having been here through the end. And if you haven't already, please feel free to subscribe to this growing YouTube family. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.